Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add payments to your Joomla websites in 2023. So if you have an online store to offer or offers products of course or services on your website, integrating a payment system is crucial for smooth transaction. So in this video, I'll guide you through the process or the steps of adding payments to your Joomla website. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type joomla.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that will take you right here. As you can see here, you'll be able to launch your Joomla sites and, of course, build fully functional Joomla websites and experience, which is the word content management system for free. So you'll have to enter a website name for your website as an example and simply type whatever you want, and then click on Launch Now. Of course, when you click on Launch Now, they will prompt you to log in to create your account. Of course, you'll be able to log in your account with Google, Facebook, Twitter if you don't want to fill everything manually, but you'll have to still fill your number and things like that. Of course, you'll find even at the top of it a sign-in option if you want just to log in into your account. And once you do so, you'll normally find yourself at the dashboard of Joomla. So once you're signed up into your account, you'll normally find yourself and the dashboard, of course, of the cloud access or the CCA or CCP. And of course, here you'll be able to access or you'll have the option to access your websites from this access here or the cPanel here. So make sure once you're on the dashboard, just go and choose your domain name as an example for me this one and click on manage right here. Once you click on manage, of course, this will appear to you. So let's just wait for the page until it loads. As you can see, this will appear to you. Make sure to click on application or expand this application option. And of course, as you can see, a lot of options like replicate, site performance, Google Analytics, GitHub integration, and Smart Updater will all require an upgrade to unlock. So make sure to go and get your plan if you want one of these features, of course, because the free plan will not comes with it. So now you'll have to go and click on login to Joomla so you can have your website. Of course, you can even click on this live link right here so you can see what other people will see in your link once it's published, of course. So we'll have to go and wait for these pages until it loads. Of course, they have a pretty heavy load. That's why, as you can see, they are loading slowly. So once they're loaded, I'm coming back into you. So as you can see, once everything is loaded here, you can open the sites as an example, and you can even open administrator or install additional languages example. So or an error occurred while fetching the JSON data or HTTP status code not found. Maybe, as I said, there is just heavy load on this Joomla websites because a lot of people using it because it's free and it's giving you or give you a lot of options. As you can see, this is the website right now. I did not edit anything on it. I have just one page called home and there is nothing on this home screen. So of course, once you click on login into administrator, you'll find yourself right here, logging in into the Joomla dashboard or the cPanel of your Joomla websites. So here you'll be able to find or do a lot of stuff. As you can see, you will be able to add some users, articles, article categories, media, models, plugins to your site. And of course, you'll be able to edit some options on the system. You'll be able to edit notifications, sample data, you'll be able to install some, and a lot of other things that you can do here. So simply, if you want to add any payment methods, of course, you can go to this left panel, go to contents, and you'll be able to add any articles that you want. And of course, you can even add some plugins if you want from here that can add the payments method directly to you. So as you can see, this article text, you can add contents, text, or images and links, option, publishing, configure edit screen, and even permissions, as you can see. And if you edit anything, you will be noticing that is changing here in the same time. So make sure if you edit everything, just hit this save button or save and close if you are not going to finish. So for me, I'm just going to hit the cancel button. And as you can see here, let's just go back into the dashboard. If we click here on plugins as an example, As you can see, you will find here a lot of plugins on the Joomla. Of course, some of them, as you can see, are enabled or are disabled, and some of them are enabled. And of course, you'll be able to disable or enable them however you want. Of course, you'll not have just this page. You'll have a lot of pages here, as you can see. So the last page is the seventh page, as you can see. You'll have a lot of options right here. So now, of course, let's just go to this left panel again and go to components, and then you'll be able to see the banners, the contact, new fees, smart search, and tags, and other stuff as well. Of course, if you are not familiarized with this Joomla website, you can simply click on take a tour here, and this will help you do a lot of stuff. As you can see, how to create article, how to create categories, how to create menus, tags, banner, contacts, interfeeds, or you can simply click on show all tours, and that will help you understand and familiarize yourself with a lot of options in this Joomla website. Even on this site option, you can click on the settings at the top right corner of the site option. As you can see, you'll be able to unpublish your site or even edit it. If you click on edit, as you can see, you'll be able to edit the group, the header icon, and a lot of other stuff from here. And of course, if you edit anything again, you can simply have the save or click on the save button, so it will be changed here. So of course, you'll even be able to change the title for you and other stuff, of course, as well. And of course, as we said, if you want to add any payments method, you can simply go to this list panel and click on system. And of course, here you'll be able to click on this extension option. Once you click on it as an example, this will open the marketplace of the extensions here. So of course, you will have to go and install a payments extension. So of course, to add your Joomla website or to add the payments to your Joomla website, you'll need to install a payments extension that supports your chosen payment gateway. So you can find payments extension in the Joomla extension directory from the third-party developers, so you can look for an extension that is compatible with your Joomla version and the payments gateway you've chosen. And of course, you'll have to simply download it and install it, then configure it however you want, then set up the payment method on your website. Then, of course, you can go and test it on another browser, as example. Then you'll normally be good to go. So you can go and do your own research as an example if you want about the payments and look for the better or the best payments that you can add. So simply you can use this search button, and as an example here, you can type payments. So payments here and hits the enter button, and of course you'll find a lot of extensions you can go and research by your own and look for what is best for your website. And once you add it, of course, make sure to add it to your website and check if it's here, test it as I said, and you will be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added the payments method to your Joomla website in 2023. So of course, by integrating a payments gateway and configuring the payments extension, you can provide a seamless and secure payments experience for your customers. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and we hope it was helpful for you. If you have any further questions, of course, you can feel free to explore the Joomla support resources or join the Joomla community for assistance. Of course, you would like to even like this video and let's subscribe also if you like this video or if you found this helpful. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.